You represent, you provide guidance and stewardship of that county, and the first primary oversight should be at that county assembly.
For your information, the county assembly will normally appear.
Your officers, not you.
I normally appear even to address the assembly. Therefore, there is no fear. These are the people we are working with them.
Yes.
Therefore, there should be no insinuation that, oh, we fear no appearing. No, no. These are people we are working with. They are leaders like us. Therefore, we have to account for every penny. We have tried so much. Of course, we may not be there yet, but we'll be there.
And going forward, Senator Onyonka, you're in the Finance Committee.
Yes.
Going forward, we are going to make a proposal that allocation to county assemblies, there we put in a factor that, you see, right now allocation to counties is based on the last audited accounts as adopted by the National Assembly. Perhaps we should tie allocation to county assemblies to a percentage of the last revenue that they have adopted. Members, I hope you understand what I'm saying, because that then gives them the motivation to do timely consideration of reports. If Kisii perhaps last considered the reports of 2021, then let them get a share of the revenues of 2021, not a share of the revenues of 2024. We must do something, and I can assure you that in the next audit cycle, we will have made a lot of innovations and a lot of amendments to our processes. But these gentlemen and ladies here, there are things that we feel we are engaging in, which should be done by the county assemblies, and we believe that when governors come here, we should discuss bigger issues, policy issues, impact issues, value for money issues, performance issues, and not the kind of conversation we have been having here of counting the number of voided transactions. So with that, we have come to the end of today's session. The meeting is adjourned.